In this video, we will learn how to hard reset or factory reset or power wash a Lenovo Chromebook. So, if you forgot the password and cannot log in, or if the Chromebook is malfunctioning, then if you reset, then all of the problem will be solved. So, how you can do that? So, first press ESC, this button, then that one, and power button. So, these three buttons, ESC, this one, and power button. So, these three buttons together, press and hold for 2 or 3 seconds. Display come back. Now it says please insert a recovery USB stick or SD card, but we do not need to insert anything. We can solve other ways. So what we can do, press Control Alter and D. Okay, these three, on Control Alter and D. So press these three. Now it says to turn operating system verification off, press enter. So press enter and we need to wait, it will come back. It's working. Now it says operating system verification is off, press space to re-enable. So we need to press space. Now we need to press enter, this one. Now it says operating system verification is on, your system will reboot and all data will be cleared. So if you have any important file, please transfer it to other places, and this method works for any model of Lenovo Chromebook. It also works for other brand like Dell, HP, Acer, Samsung. So it's coming back, we need to wait. Yep, it's getting started. Yep, it started from the beginning. So get started. So get started. Now we need to add the Wi-Fi. Enter the password. So it's connecting to Wi-Fi. So determining device configuration. So click next. Now you can enter your email address or phone number to make it your Chromebook. Otherwise we can browse as a guest. So we can browse as a guest. So accept and continue. Now it's coming back. So we can write yep, it's working now. It's working, and this is my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.